What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about a topic that is relevant for every trader, but very few people speak about this. So let's dive into today's video. It's going to be a bit different, but hopefully you guys will learn something. All right, guys, so today I want to talk about the topic of health. And a lot of people neglect this topic while they learn how to trade. And I think that's not needed. I think you can combine things, not perfectly, but you can combine certain things, because in life, you can't do everything. You have to make choices, and that's the same with trading, but also in your personal life. I run my own company, I trade, and while doing that, I try to maintain healthy relationships with my girlfriend, with my friends, with my family. I try to maintain a healthy body, a healthy mind, and sometimes it's hard to combine all these things. Sometimes I'm way too focused on work that other areas in my life don't get enough attention and will suffer. And I think, especially when you're not profitable yet, you really have to be aware of those things, because it takes years and years and years to become profitable. And I know a lot of you guys that are watching are probably maybe my age. I just turned 25. Maybe you guys are a bit younger than me. But the point is, when you're young, you should be connecting with people. You should be experimenting with different things. You should be figuring out what you like. You should be trying new things, going on adventures, those type of things. And when you're learning how to trade, it often can be very lonely. The way I did it was not quite healthy. I was sitting in my room and I was watching videos, taking notes, reading books, everything about trading on my own. And I did really enjoy it. I did. But you also have to think about the time that you're spending doing it. You are not spending learning about yourself, exploring new things, connecting with your friends. And I often had times that when everyone was outside doing things, having fun, I was on my room on my own, studying the markets. And that's why I always tell people that want to be coached by me or want to get into trading, is this really what you want? Because you're going to suffer, you're going to make sacrifices in terms of time, in terms of energy, in terms of physical health, and in terms of mental health. And you really should think if that's worth it for you. Nothing in life comes easy. Nothing worth having comes easy. It's a bit of a cliche, but it's very true. I think struggling makes life interesting, but it has to be a struggle that you enjoy and that you chose yourself. And most people struggle in life, but this is not a struggle that they chose themselves. It's something they fell into because they weren't aware, or something someone else chose for them. So when you're learning to trade, I think it's very important to really ask yourself if you like it and if you like the struggle. If you notice that you're every single day, you have to force yourself to learn to trade. This is not the right career. It has to come naturally. It has to feel right. I don't have to force myself at all. It's just, I like it. I like to backtest things. I like to learn new things about trading. It's an ongoing process, and I just really, really enjoy it. It gives me energy. It gives me energy to talk to other traders. And if it doesn't give you energy, if it isn't effortless, or if it doesn't feel effortless, I have to say, this might not be the right career for you. And then when you, let's say you finally make it to become a profitable trader, you really should still be on the lookout for your mental and physical health. Now, I work on my own. I have a home office and I sit here for 8 hours a day. During the day, I do go to the gym or go for a walk, but most of the time of my day, I'm sitting alone staring at a screen. And that's not very healthy, not for your body, but also mentally. We as humans, we are meant to connect with other people. And especially during the time we're living now with the corona bullshit and the government trying to separate people, when in reality, connecting with others is what's going to build your immune system. If you're always alone and not connecting with anyone else, your mental health will take a toll, and that will also take down your physical health. And during these times, I think physical health and being resistant, so being strong on your own, is very important. But it's another topic for another discussion. The point is, be aware of your life and your, if you really want it, and also your health. Try to be on the lookout for those things, because if your health is suffering, your trading will suffer. You won't be as focused, you will make mistakes, the results won't come as you want them to, you can't work as much as you want to. So be on the lookout. I plan in times every day to relax. I plan in times to go away from the screens. I plan in times with friends to connect, even though it's still on a low pit and it can be improved. But you need to be aware, because that's the real cost of trading. It's not the money you spend. It's what you pay with your emotional health. It's what you pay with your physical health in terms of sitting all day and getting back pains. And it's what you pay in terms of the time you lose that you could be spending with your friends and exploring the world. You're sitting there learning how to trade, and it should be worth it for you. It should be something you really enjoy. Otherwise, please, please, please look for another career. And I know it sounds hard, and especially for you guys that have been into this career for maybe 2 years and that are still not profitable. It's hard to just quit because you've put in 2 years. But if you notice for yourself that it's really a big struggle, it costs you so much energy to test things and to learn about the markets, then it's just not the right career. And you better quit now than waste another 2-3 years, lose money and time, and lose your health, and then figure out that it's not the right path for you. Don't get me wrong, trading is great, and I know why a lot of people want to do it. And it is doable. I'm a profitable trader. It is doable, but it's going to cost you a lot. In terms of money, I didn't really pay a lot to learn to trade. I took it very slowly, so I didn't just open up a live account and lose all my money within a week. I took it slowly, and I'm very happy I did. But in terms of energy and time and health, in terms of physical health, I did pay a lot. I'm 25 and I do have back issues. In terms of time spent with friends, I did really miss out on a lot of things. I don't regret it because I did something I enjoyed. But if you do it for the money and you quit being with your friends for money instead of with something that you really enjoy, I think it's the wrong thing to do. So a bit of a different video today, guys, but this is really what no one talks about. And this is really what you should be considering when you want this career. So hopefully I inspired some of you guys to drop out of trading. And if not, really think about if this is the thing for you, because everyone has something that feels effortless. Back in the day when I worked at a job, it cost me so much energy, and then you just know it's not the right thing for you. But everyone has that thing that doesn't feel like work, that feels like it goes automatically, effortless, and it's your job to find it. And it doesn't have to be trading, it can be something else. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. That will really help me out. If you have any questions, you know where to find me, either in the comment section or on my website. And I'm always there. I'm always there to ask or to answer your questions and to help you guys out, because I know how the struggle is. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.